What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you want more strength, better endurance, improved balance, and stronger athletic performance, then you need to train your core. A strong core helps with almost every movement your body makes, from lifting weights and running faster to improving posture and reducing back pain. Today, I'll show you 9 powerful core exercises for men's performance that can help you build strength, stability, and control. These exercises are perfect for home workouts or gym training, and they work for beginners and advanced fitness levels alike. Let's jump right into it. Exercise 1, plank hold. The first exercise is the plank hold. Get into a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds. The plank improves total core stability, posture, and endurance. It also helps strengthen your lower back and shoulders. Exercise 2, Russian twists. Next, we have Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and lean slightly backward. Lift your feet off the floor if possible. Twist your torso from side to side while keeping your core tight. Perform 20 to 30 twists total. This exercise targets the obliques and improves rotational strength, which is important for sports and athletic movement. Exercise 3, leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight. Slowly raise your legs until they reach a 90-degree angle. Then lower them back down without touching the floor. Perform 12 to 15 reps. Leg raises are excellent for strengthening the lower abs and improving core control. Exercise 4, mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs in a running motion. Continue for 30 to 45 seconds. Mountain climbers combine cardio and core training, helping improve endurance, speed, and fat burning. Exercise 5, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and place your hands behind your head. Bring one knee toward your chest while twisting your torso to touch the opposite elbow to the knee. Switch sides continuously. Perform 20 reps per side. Bicycle crunches work the upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all at once. Exercise 6, dead bug. Lie on your back with your arms raised toward the ceiling and your knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly extend your right arm and left leg at the same time. Return to the starting position and switch sides. Perform 10 to 12 reps per side. The dead bug improves core stability and helps protect the lower back. Exercise 7, Flutter Kicks. Lie flat on your back with your hands under your hips. Lift your legs slightly off the floor and kick them up and down in small movements. Continue for 30 to 45 seconds. Flutter kicks strengthen the lower abs and improve endurance. Exercise 8, side plank. Lie on one side and support your body with your forearm. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. Side planks target the obliques and improve balance and stability. Exercise 9, toe touch crunches. Lie on your back and raise your legs straight up toward the ceiling. Reach your hands toward your toes by lifting your shoulders off the floor. Slowly lower back down and repeat. Perform 15 to 20 reps. This exercise targets the upper abs and improves flexibility and core control. Before starting this workout, warm up your body for at least 5 minutes. You can do jumping jacks, jogging in place, or light stretching. Complete this routine 3 to 4 times per week for the best results. Remember to focus on proper form instead of speed. Controlled movement helps activate the muscles better and reduces the risk of injury. Also, stay hydrated, eat healthy foods, and get enough sleep to support recovery and muscle growth. And that's it, guys. 9 top core exercises for men's performance. If you stay consistent with these exercises, you'll build a stronger core, better balance, improved endurance, and more athletic power. Try this workout and let me know in the comments which exercise was the toughest for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another workout. Thanks for watching, keep training hard, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.